Yeah, I'm rock and roll. This is a size XL. I am 5'10", about 190, 195 pounds. Teeny bit of a gut, not too bad. 43-inch chest I have. I measure the jacket pit to pit. It's 25 inches, which is pretty crazy because a lot of shots jackets only go up. I don't know, it's hard to find a 25-inch. So I think it fits great. But man, for 60 bucks, it's insane. Of course, the leather is not the quality of a shot, but you know, I think it's as good as any of the other knockoffs you see on eBay for 150. I definitely say get it. I actually like this belt rather than the hanging belt. People complain about these zippers being on the outside, but whatever. I mean, they're not. It's a homage to a Shot Perfecto. It's not an exact. Yeah, man, so good. I'm actually going to order a size down too for 60 bucks. Why not? Get one size down just for like if I want a fitted one, or if I'm lose a little weight, I can have two. You get two of these for the price of most of the other ones, are like about 125. It's great, real leather. The inside's great. I took out the padding, of course, because I don't really cycle. But yeah, go for it. If you're on the fence, get two, or get two and then return one. But they definitely fit true to size. I usually wear XL, between large and XL. I was worried about this looking too baggy, but I mean, I think the way it's structured is that I think it fits perfect. It was way better than I thought it was going to be. I'm very, very happy. So, and I kind of got this as an experiment. If I wanted to spend, $500 on a used shot, or $900 on a new one, this is good just test to see, and I could take some measurements and see. So when I go on eBay, I can see what closer measurements I want. But goddamn, I think it's a great 5 stars. Rock and roll.
Here's the Hawk Motorsports leather jacket, size medium. It is true to size, made out of thin but true real leather. Everything fits as intended. Has the non-removable liner with a few pockets on the inside. Again, all zippers and buttons work. The main one is YKK. Other ones are not so much. The inserts are rated CE. However, the quality is questionable. Hopefully never have to test that. But there it is.
Building a quality jacket. Appreciate it. We'll be coming back for more business for sure.